Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, the bankers are attacking, but our shells are thick. Are you unshaken? Do you have intestinal fortitude? Are you buying the dip, the deal of the year? We're going to be live in just 9 minutes and 30 seconds. I know why the prices are coming down. I'm going to help you read the tea leaves. We're going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX open back up. Thank you so much, everybody. Please smash a like button. Please share the stream. This is one that no stacker should miss. Please also go on X and retweet and repost the live stream. I just put it out right now. We're going to be live in 9 minutes. Smash the like button. Thank you, Chris, for the jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 50 seconds breaking down the gold and silver news. Why is silver falling? Why is gold falling? We're going to cover that here in 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Smash the like button. We're going to be covering all the breaking gold and silver news here. Derek, we might need to do a migration today. I think crustaceans need the motivation. We got Poland reporting in from Piotrek. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 7 minutes and 15 seconds away from covering the breaking gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX open back up. Is silver going to keep going down, down, down like Flow Rider? Are we going to go up, up, up? Ladies and gentlemen, let me know in the chat right now who bought the dip today. This was a mega dip. Put dip in chat if you bought it. We're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 55 seconds, breaking it all down, helping you read the tea leaves. You know, when silver was 13, they told me I was crazy. When silver was 20, 30, 40, and 50, they told me it was crazy. When it went to 120 and back to 160, they told me I was crazy. And if you check X and everything right now, they're still telling me I'm crazy. But the one thing I know is that the fundamentals for gold and silver have not changed. It's been money for thousands of years as our governments are printing our buying power away. An obscene amount of money printing, eroding away your value, the hidden tax of inflation. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why I stack. We're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Smash the like button if you're with me. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 30 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, discussing why it's going down and what's going to get it back up. Have you ever had that problem where you can't get that silver and gold price back up? We're going to be live in 5 minutes and 15 seconds talking about it. We're also going to watch the COMEX market open back up live here together. Smash the like button if you're ready. Share the stream. Thank you, Neophyte, for the jewels.
Riches untold. International stacker, here to say
Brian saying happy BRC Day, everybody. Thank you, Silver Slugger, for the jewels.
Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew.
Thank you, Del Love Silver, for the jewels.
Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds. We're going to break down the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves, answering your questions live. I've got some other secret plans to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. We're just 4 minutes away.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high.
Let's go.
Watch it grow.
Let's go.
Giveaways for all.
Yes.
Grill. International stack 'em that mill. So hit that sub. Join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 3 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to be watching the COMEX market open back up live, answering your questions, and talking about what's happening to gold and silver. We're going to be live in 3 minutes here. We're only 7 likes away from 100. Let's pump it up.
Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Break it down now. Thank you, Silver Fox, for those jewels.
Chasing that mill. Beat we chase.
I think we're back. I think we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. What was that? I don't know. The bankers are attacking me. The COMEX is after me, but we're going to be live in 2 minutes. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready. CRAP, not a CRAP. I better not see it. Wow, the COMEX attacked me, but I'm good. Break it down now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 1 minute and 45 seconds, covering the breaking and gold and silver news, watching the COMEX open back up. Thank you, Chris, for the golden poop. No! Crab in chat, CRAP. CRAP. Thank you, Jason, that MILF. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jason, that MILF is hitting me with golden poops. Let's go. Elder Joshua Hetrick got hit too. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 1 minute warning. Thank you for all the golden poops, guys. 1 minute warning. Okay, what do you guys want for the intro? Do we want to migrate? Do you want the crab migration? Do you want the old school intro or little kid intro? We're about to get started here. What do you want? Let me know ASAP in chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 30-second warning. Let's go. Let's get it. I think we need to migrate.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
To find International
Stacker. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 69,224 subscribers. Thank you so much. 2,300 videos literally around the world on gold and silver adventures, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Check it out. Check out the videos. I know you'll love them. But boy, oh boy, have we had a wild ride today. You might as well call me Mr. Toad. Here's what we got going on right now. Last night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, gold is down 6.69%. Grab your battle stations. We're going in.
Dudley Smith, a fallen hard with one arm on the top. Oh no, he's not. Major touch.
We're not going to take it. So since last night, 6 p.m., they have smashed us down. We hit a low today of $55.60. We hit a high earlier today of $62.39. Currently, we're sitting on a green candle at $57.44. This market is going to be opening back up in just 18 and a half minutes. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be covering it live. Oh, yeah, it's time to back up the truck for sure. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. I've been going crazy. Gold is a similar story since 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. There we go. It's down, not as bad as silver, 2.71% today. Look at this massive DTB, double bottom to 3,959.68. Currently sitting at a green candle, 3,999.50. Again, this is going to be opening up in just 17 and a half minutes today, and we're going to be watching it. Shanghai Futures Exchange, ladies and gentlemen. Shanghai got as high as 66.45 today, as low as 62.37, and closed on a DTB at 64.16 on a green candle. This market will be opening back up tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And look at that, dropping the mic in chat, says pulled the trigger on the sweet Hero Bullion Pourer for 250th. Guys, Hero Bullion is the proud sponsor of this channel. They've got a starter pack. If you're brand new, you can get 5 ounces of silver at spot. It is under $300 at $288.55, and it's shipped to you for free, so don't miss that. And what he was just talking about with the 250 bar, it's not that. Hold up. The 250 bars here, it's going quick. There's only 1,776 of each. Copper is sold out. The 10 ounce, there's less than 300 left. There's like 400 left of the 5 ounce. Don't sleep on it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to go to the breaking gold and silver news, hoping you read the tea leaves. And Silver Byro saying, blood in the streets. I hope you're all buying. Did you back up? Oh, yeah, I bought the dip. Did you guys buy the dip? If you bought the dip, let me know. And smash the like button. We got 500 people on and 140 likes. Let's do at least 60 more likes to 200. The next 60 people to do that are going to get good luck for 15 years.
It's science.
Okay, hold your questions for a minute here. Yeah, it's like limbo. How low can it go? I've got the breaking gold and silver news here. And guys, I'm going to start out with the very first one on what I think is happening right now. And Soup John double bought the dip. Oh, and real quick, guys, I finished the new No Soup for John song, so we're going to have to test it. So I'm officially going to open the soup kitchen here.
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans.
So the soup kitchen is now open. Who's going to be the first to test out the new No Soup for John's video? I've got it primed and ready to go. Crustaceans in chat, if you need soup, put your bowls in the sky. Okay, here we go. Alert. Why gold and silver are getting hit hard right now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, there's not a comment on there. I want to add hard there. I want to add hard. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yes. Alert, why gold and silver are getting hit hard right now. And there we go. Hold up. No, our Soup John just gifted a membership. It went to Dolly. Congratulations. I hate to say it. No soup for Rick.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
There you go. That's the adapted no soup for John for no soup for Rick. Did you guys like it? And thank you, Chris Simic and Elder Joshua Hetrick for giving memberships. Those went to 7 stacks. It went to Pierre. It went to Bobby. It went to Nick. It went to Derek. It went to Rich. It went to a lot of people. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And make sure to say thank you to John, Chris Simic. Say thank you to Elder Joshua. And also say thank you to William Posey, who just gifted one to Romans. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And channel members, don't forget, I have the channel member only live stream here on YouTube called The War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. You must be fully clothed there. Oh my gosh! Breaking news! Hero Bullion! Ladies and gentlemen, Hero Bullion is in the chat, and they're making it rain. Crustaceans, get out your bowls, put them to the sky, catch the soup. Hero Bullion, that's going to be Jake watching, I'm sure, the CEO. Just get to 10 memberships. It went to Bingo. It went to Wed. It went to our hero. Hero Bullion gave one to our hero. Nice. It went to Datsun. It went to Better. It went to East End. It went to 949 Designs. Hold up. Nice. It went to Kyle. It went to everybody. Congratulations. Make sure you say thank you to Hero Bullion. I hate to say it. No soup for Rick.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Now, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 things coming up. And Hero Bullion, we were just talking about you, Jake. So don't forget, guys, tomorrow on stream, I got Ron from Ron's Basement coming on in the morning. But this Sunday, the 28th, Jake, the CEO of Hero Bullion, is going to be on the channel again, behind the stacks, giving you guys the insider information on what's going on with gold and silver. And Hero Bullion says, have you seen the sweet video we posted on X today? Great comparison on silver ounces to dollars. Okay, Jake, we will check that out right after I read this tweet. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's what's going on with the market today, and then we're going to check out that tweet. Alert, alert. Why gold and silver are getting slammed right now, ladies and gentlemen. Several factors are putting short-term pressure on prices. Strong U.S. dollar, DXY. A stronger dollar typically weighs on gold and silver. So if we go back here to the charts, look at the dollar. And thank you, Elizabeth, for joining the Shell Brigade. Welcome to the channel. So the DXY is on a little bit of a decline right now, but it has been running up massively. So that is one reason. Scott Bissett's recent comments yesterday and today, the Treasury Secretary signaled that Venezuela would be allowed to sell their oil in dollars while Iran would remain restricted to dollar-denominated oil sales. If more global energy trade stays dollar-based, it could reduce some support for de-dollarization and continue to strengthen the dollar. And guys, we got a question in chat. How many of you in chat bought the dip from Hero Bullion today? If you bought the dip from Hero Bullion today, put dip and hero in chat. Let's see it. Make it rain, baby. Yeah. Thank you for the jewels there. Okay, the next reason, higher for longer rates. Markets have increased expectations that the Fed may keep interest rates elevated or even hike them, which is generally a headwind for precious metals. Profit taking after gold and silver, a strong rally this year. Silver options expiration, which is tomorrow. That's usually a bloodbath for silver before 1:30 p.m. So that's tomorrow. Quarter end institutional rebalancing is happening. That's over 150-60 billion. That's happening. And bankers are piling on. Remember, all these reasons I just listed why we're seeing gold and silver get absolutely slammed. None of these necessarily change the long-term bull case. Central banks continue buying gold. Global debt keeps climbing. Fiscal deficits remain massive. Silver remains in a structural supply deficit 6+ years. None of the fundamentals have changed for gold and silver. Only the paper price has. Okay, let's go over here to Hero Bullion, and then I'll continue the news here. Let's see what they put out here. Okay, let's turn this up. Look at this. $500 in silver in 1926 versus 2016. So these look like a bunch of Canadian bars. American Silver Eagles. Look at this, guys. That's piling to the sky. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's $500 of silver in 1926. That's 500 in 2026. That just shows you how debased our currency has really become. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Hero Bullion on YouTube, and make sure you're also following them on X. And we just got gifted 5 memberships from Jeff Stout. Thank you. Those went to Eric. That went to King. That went to A-Hill. It went to Alan. It went to Ying. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Jeff Stout. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have more breaking news here. 72. Oh, thank you for the super chat, Jolly Lollipop, saying silver is a key component in military weaponry. You are 100% correct, and it is being destroyed at a crazy rate, ladies and gentlemen. 72 ships just transited the Strait of Hormuz in one day. U.S. Energy Secretary says shipping through the critical Strait of Hormuz is rebounding strongly, with 72 ships through the checkpoint in a single day. This comes as Tehran's leverage appears to be weakening following recent U.S.-Iranian developments. Oil prices eased as fears of prolonged supply disruption faded. Lower geopolitical tensions can reduce short-term safe haven demand for gold, but the bigger long-term drivers like central bank buying, rising debt, and persistent inflation haven't changed. Here's the article there if you want to go read that. And ladies and gentlemen, talking about oil, look at this. First off, let's switch this out of the DXY before this saves over silver. But look at silver's all this morning. It was all above 70. It was all above 70 this morning. Now it's all below 70 except for Brent and CL1. Wow. Wow. Okay, next piece of news here. As the market's coming down and strangers on the internet are telling you it's over and you are foolish, governments are quietly treating silver as a strategic resource. Silver isn't just an old precious metal anymore. It is now a critical industrial metal essential for all that stuff and much more. Over 1,000 uses for silver. The world has been in a structural silver deficit for 6+ years as demand continues to outpace supply. Ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. government has launched Project Vault, a strategic critical mineral stockpile initiative that includes silver. As governments move to secure critical minerals, many believe silver is increasingly being treated as a strategic resource rather than just another commodity. There's the article there if you want to go read more about that. And just bought 10 ounces of silver shot for $5.60, says Kelly Gage. Nice, Kelly Gage. Where'd you get it from? Did you get it from Hero? I did not know that Hero Bullion sold silver shot, but they do. I don't know if you guys knew that. Okay, let me go back up here. Okay. Next piece of news here, breaking. I'm getting multiple reports of local coin shops across the nation suspending sales due to volatility. Silver slammed over 7.6% earlier today. Gold was down 3%. I need to know, guys, if your local coin shop is closed because of volatility, please go to my X, formerly known as Twitter, INTL Stacker International when it fit, and let me know here if your area, the local coin shops are closed. I'm going to use this for a forthcoming video. So please do that, and please also answer the poll in chat right now. I also want to use that for a forthcoming video as well. Okay, let me scroll down here. Next piece of news here. America's total financial obligation, ladies and gentlemen, could exceed $127 trillion. That is not a drill. According to ITM Trading's Taylor Kinney, official U.S. debt is approaching $40 trillion. Ladies and gentlemen, $40 trillion. When you add unfunded liabilities like Social Security, Medicare, and other promised obligations, the total rises to roughly $127 trillion. At the current official U.S. gold holding, a full gold revaluation would imply a gold price of roughly $486,000 an ounce just to cover that deficit. I do not believe this will happen. I believe this will not happen, okay? But that's just a comparison of how much an ounce of gold would have to be worth to catch up to that. Totally insane, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. This is why some believe gold-backed treasury bond or major gold revaluation could eventually be on the table. The fundamentals for physical gold and silver have never been stronger. And thank you so much, Amina, for the jewels. So that's the video there if you want to go watch that. And guys, how's the connection? Was it just frozen? Chat was frozen, I saw that, but was the video frozen? If chat was frozen, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I saw that. But was the video frozen? Let me know. Okay. YouTube did an update, and when YouTube does an update, things break. Here's the next piece of news. Andy Schectman, gold-backed treasury bonds could be closer than many think, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, look at that in chat. Echo Leaf needs soup. Oh, my goodness. The soup kitchen is open.
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans.
Andy Schectman, gold-backed treasury bonds could be closer than many think. In a new interview, Miles Franklin CEO Andy Schectman laid out a detailed case. U.S. debt and unfunded liabilities now exceed 300% of GDP. America must rebuild its manufacturing base to secure its future. Judy Shelton told Schectman the President Trump intended to back a treasury bond with gold for America's 250th birthday anniversary on July 4th. Is that going to happen? Andy Schectman gives it about a 50-50 chance for it to happen. Here's the full video here if you want to go watch that. Here's a fun video I put out on my full stack. So you can go watch that if you want. Okay, this is a big one here. Major breaking. The U.S. Mint is releasing 250,000 special July 4th quarters for America's 250th birthday. Find one? Will it make you rich? We'll find out. The U.S. Mint announced a special 2026 Declaration of Independence quarter featuring a unique July 4th privy mark. Only 250,000 will be produced. And ladies and gentlemen, these will be released into circulation nationwide ahead of Independence Day. While these aren't silver, the low mintage and historic significance could make these highly sought after. Only 250,000 are going to be released. Check your change. Will you get one? How much do you guys think they'll be worth? I think they'll be worth a decent amount, guys. I really do. And they're essentially free, right? So here's what they look like here. And thank you so much, Kelly Gage, for that super chat saying Summit Metals has been pretty good and they're 170 miles from me. That's awesome, Kelly Gage. Look, guys, shop for the best deals. Go for the companies you're comfortable with. Go for the companies that treat you like a customer, not just another number. For me, that's Hero Bullion. For Kelly, that's Summit. There's a lot of good companies out there. Just make sure you're getting the best deal and make sure you're safe. Make sure your things are insured when they're shipped and stuff like that. But that is awesome, Kelly Gage. Thank you so much for that super chat, and that's really neat that they're right next to you. Okay, so here's what the quarter looks like. There's only 250,000 of these out there, ladies and gentlemen. They're not released yet. I'm not sure when they're going to be released, but take a mental image of this. If you see this out there, there's only 250,000 of them, and I think you'll be able to get some money for them on eBay or somewhere else, or I don't know. That's a beep. That's a beep beep designed to have a monumental date. I mean, no offense, but that quarter looks like beep, says Roadkill. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that good to me either. I mean, it just looks like another quarter, but hey, it's limited, so I'll get them and flip them if I can and turn them into actual silver. If I got a bunch of these guys, I would sell them and turn them into silver. Okay. Variable is buying the dip from Hero Bullion. Are you? Look at this. Variable. Since Hero Bullion partnered with International Stacker, I proudly have purchased 55 troy ounces of silver. And now that silver is on sale bigly, I plan on doubling that today. Did you double it, Variable? And if you doubled it, what did you get? Put it in chat. Guys, if you bought the dip today, put dip in the chat and how many ounces you got. Victor in chat says it's kind of a rigged system. Then LCSs won't sell when the price dips and won't buy. Well, not all. And look, that's just LCSs. But in chat, 11% had LCSs closed. 25% said no. 20% said that they don't have an LCS. Okay, so keep that in mind. And even if LCSs don't buy or sell, online companies are. Hero Bullion never stopped selling and never stopped buying. There's other companies out there that didn't stop selling and buying. Just find the company that works for you so they're there when you need them. Chris Simic says those quarters look like a pile of dog poop on a hot sunny day. Pass. I mean, they're going to be in circulation though, Chris. So my point is they're going to be in circulation, all 250,000 of them. So if they're in circulation, snag them. Then you can flip them on eBay and other places and then buy actual silver. That's my plan. I feel like it's September 2025. Loving the prices, says Kelly Gage. I know. 1 minute to open. We're open. Oh, I got to go to Pyth. It's open. What's happening? I got to go to Pyth. Hold up. We are open, ladies and gentlemen, and silver is opening to a green candle. Silver is opening to a green candle. And breaking news, I got a live feed from the COMEX. I'm piping it in now.
Run.
Yeah. Okay, so that's silver. Let's check gold here. Let's go to, guys, remind me in about 6 or 7 minutes to go back to Oneida. Gold's back over 4,000 on a green candle here. I went to my LCS Silver Pug. They only had 1 ounce of silver DNA silver maple leaf left, so I bought it. They were cleaned out. I went there around 4 p.m. Wow. Bought the dip. Says silver tripping. Oh, you got the 1776. You got 3 of the 10-ounce bars. Let's see how many are left. Jake, this is my secret. This is how I know what you have in stock. Let's see, 290. Whoops. Okay, so they have 299 10-ounce bars left. Only 1,776. Hold up. They have 604 5-ounces left, guys, so don't sleep on that deal at Hero Bullion. It's only $1.49 over spot. As silver and gold are pushing higher here on open, what in the world is going down? Drano says buy the dip or hide your fiat. So we're going to watch the charts here for a little bit, guys. So if you got questions, put them in chat. If you got breaking news, put them in chat. Just tag me at International Stacker so it glows orange for me and I can see. As Drano says, he thinks we're getting close to the bottom. And guys, we are only 29 likes away from 250. I know we could do that. The next 29 people to do that are going to get good luck for 6 months.
It's science.
Yes. Woo! Okay, we're going to keep watching here. I need to take a sip of water here. SGC says, I have no more dry powder till next week. Hopefully I can partake in the dip. I know, guys. I just used a lot of my dry powder at like 63 or something. I'm low on dry powder as well. If I bought one of each, John said about something, I don't know. Okay. Bought 3 5-ounce 1776 bars as well, says Silver Tippin. Nice. Okay. I took care of those two. Ralph, I took care of those two. You're good. Okay. You'll still be happy at 63. Guys, so what's the price? $57.60. Okay. Price of silver, June 24, 2025. The price of silver one year ago was $35.95. $35.95. Even after this massive smackdown, we're like, look at that. That's crazy. When in doubt, zoom out, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Damn, trolls are deep today, says SGT. It's okay. They keep the mods on their toes. Soup John says, I bought one of each, the hand ported at 5 and 10. Oh, nice, John. Kelly Gage says, have a kidney, and so let's do a collab. Okay, guys, if silver hit 50, I might be selling one kidney to Stacker. I'm kidding. I'm not. Mr. Bill says, you know of any other places offer silver at spot besides Hero Bullion and JM Bullion? Not off the top of my head for online bullion dealers. I'm sure you could find LCSs that do. Hero has some underspot currently. Okay, Oneida's back up. Let's go to Oneida. Okay, we have a small gap to fill, which hopefully we fill this right away so we can play one of our favorite songs here, the Gap song. So small gap up on Oneida for silver. And gold. Okay, there we go. So there's the two gaps for gold and silver. We're going to keep watching it. I'll buy your kidney and double your money on eBay. There you go, says SGT. Semper Fi back to West Texas. The JPY carry trade is causing massive liquidity hunting. I think stocks could be next, says Daniel. So he's talking about the Japanese market there. Mega Gustavo says Cuba might have a Walmart soon with the state of foreign affairs going on. They might. I might be closer to Cuba and Walmart at the same time. I'm trying to offset all my 70-ounce purchases today. Awesome, Sicilian. Guys, how many of you are pumped that you're getting your dollar cost average lower? Because my dollar cost average is in the 18s, okay? But I know there's a lot of people that were new this year, and your dollar cost is up in the 70s and 80s. Today is such a gift. Such a gift. If you have your dollar cost up there. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome everyone to the stream. Make sure you subscribe because in the not too distant future, I'm going to be giving away we're at 95. I think we're at 100 ounces, honestly. But here's that 10-ounce bar from Hero Bullion. It's for America's 250th birthday. There's only 1,776 of these. They sent me one to give away to you guys. Over 95 ounces of silver, over 60 ounces of pretty cool copper. We got gold in there as well. All you got to do is subscribe, turn on those notifications, and enjoy the party. And ladies and gentlemen, we do have the side quest. So we had an epic side quest for John to get John soup. And Roadkill, I think, won that. So I threw this in there. This is a 1563 coin from the year 1563. It's called a Ferdinand one. I bought this in Poland at a coin show. That's in there. We got this gold Odin bar from Germania Mint. That's in there. We got this Germania Mint half ounce. These are new. Come on, focus. Half ounce Germania Mint round. We got a no soup for you. We got a silver plated soup ladle somebody sent in. And you are going to be getting a 42nd Battle Crab Brigade patch, and you're going to be getting a 160th Battle Crab Soar patch as well. That's both from Commander Craig and Commander Mike D. And look at that, guys. Northampton West has been a Diamond Claws member for 8 months, saying, another month, I'm not depressed because International Stacker, he's the best. Dollar cost average is 42 pounds for me. That's great. We'll have to sell the Lambo to eat now. There you go. There you go, Northampton. A big thank you to all the channel members. You guys really help me do what I do. A big special shout out to all the Diamond Claw level channel members. You guys, thank you so much for your support. And there's some empty slots in this video, so if you want to become a Diamond Claws, now's a good time. Who in chat has Diamond Claws right now? Let me know.
Diamond Claws.
Who's got them? Wow. Thank you so much, everybody. This is my full-time job, by the way. I spend all day, every day researching, going in the catacombs of the internet, finding information for you to help you read the tea leaves. So every time you super chat, gift a membership, become a member, do those fun little emojis with those jewels. It really helps me out a lot. So from the bottom of my heart, I do truly appreciate it. And guess what? You can support the channel without spending a dime. Simply smash the like button. We're only 40 away from 300. And ladies and gentlemen, we just filled the gap on gold.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me.
Now, guys, I have not done a baby gator in a few days because you guys did not want me to. You want to buy the dip. So I'll ask you the question today. Do you want the baby gator, or do you want me to hold off so you have more time to buy the dip? Let me know. Thank you, Hyperfixation, for that trophy there. Okay, let's go back here. I've got more breaking gold and silver news for you guys. By the way, you can listen to my International Stacker music anytime, day or night, when you're driving, when you're going around. Look, everyone's saying no Gator, please, no Gator. Okay, I won't do it. Thank you, FGK there. My songs, guys, you can listen to them anytime, day or night, and just keep the party going. It's on Apple Music, Amazon, Spotify, Pandora. It's literally everywhere. YouTube Music, just search International Stackers, the artist. Now, let me ask you a question, ladies and gentlemen. Who's buying the $19,000 and $19,600 1 ounce of gold bell? Who's buying the $10,000 and 50 half ounce gold bell? And who's buying the $750 half ounce silver bell? I'm not. These prices actually offended me. I felt like it's spitting in my face. But here's what I said. Low mintage of just 2,026 pieces doesn't justify these prices. Unless the U.S. Mint knows a massive gold and silver revaluation is coming, these prices are completely insane. Ralph Ramsey says, Rick Harrison is 2 days from having no income, needs soup. Oh, is he retiring? Is he retiring? Rick Harrison does need soup for sure. I wanted to show you guys something. Hold up. Oh, I just lost my train of thought. What was it? This. I was showing you guys this. Oh! Guys, the mint error that I sold for around $1,100. Backyard Bullion posted one on eBay. This is the first one to sell on eBay that's available in the United States. $3,612. Like, I did great. I paid like $150 or $60 for it. Something like that. But dear Lord, so getting to 1,100 was great. But 3,612, this is the first one on eBay that's available in the United States. Good Lord. I do know that there's another one coming on that's available in the United States. In about 3 days, it's going to be on. So I'll keep you guys abreast of that. But wow. Wow. What a coin. Wow. Okay, let me get back down here. Who's sipping like a king crab, guys, and sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee with me in the morning? Let me know. There's the mug. Guys, if you have never checked it out, check out internationalstacker.com. You can check out prices of gold and silver any time of the day on our favorite Oneida. Gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, and gold to silver ratio. Here's the chart here that you can manipulate yourselves and have fun with. The market hours around the world, who's open, who's closed. We've got resources, news blog, hidden hoard. We've got a shop here with all the international stacker stuff you could ever need. And guys, we talk about crazy, fun things here on this channel. The channel lore is deep. So if you want to know about channel lore or memes on this channel like Daisy the Camel, Mrs. IS, all this stuff, it's all here. You can read about it. But going back to the shop here, guys, we do now have the Crustacean Nation flag. Many have been sold. Reports are these are popping up across the world as the Crustacean Nation grows. So if you want to show your pride, it's only $25. Get yourself a Crustacean Nation flag. Okay, I said buckle up here where Peter Chef said, gold is below $4,050. A dip below $4,000 is likely, but not worth the wait. Silver is below $60. Traders are pricing in rate hikes that may never happen. But even if they do, it will be too little, too late. To slow inflation, which will rise more than rates, that's bullish for gold. And thank you again, Kelly Gage, for that super chat. You're mega. Thank you. Did you switch the chat yet? Switch the chat. What do you mean? Switch the chat? What do you mean, Brian? Tell me what you mean. Okay, last piece of news here. We'll go back to the charts. Is $50 silver next, guys? I said this just the other day. Is $50 silver next? Key events that could make silver and gold this week. Tomorrow is silver options expiry day for the month. Remember, they usually slam it in the morning. It usually rebounds after about 1:30 p.m., so we might see more carnage in the morning there. And we also have silver futures settlement and COT report on Friday. And then we have the quarterly and institutional rebalancing as well. So keep all those things in mind. Viola's Kitchen is open for the Crustacean Nation, but she said no soup for me, but I want soup, says Silver Pug. Wow. Who in chat knows who Viola is? Silver Atari says, do you think somebody's going to try to counterfeit the mint error? Probably, eventually. Charts. Oh, yeah, I switched the chart. Thank you, Brian. You confused me with chat. I'm like, oh, what am I doing? Yeah. Warn about the flowing hair anniversary fakes. Found one in my pocket pinger. Really, William Posey? Wow. Guys, William Posey found a flowing hair anniversary fake with his pocket pinger. All these have been sent to me by you guys, viewers that got scammed. All these are fake. Guys, there's so many fakes out there. You need a way to verify. I'm talking silver. I'm talking gold. It is so disgusting how good these fakes are getting. Don't get scammed. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the pocket pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. Get yourself a pocket pinger. Get yourself a pocket pinger before you get scammed or it gets more expensive. I know it saves so many people. And guys, we're about to close this gap on silver. Yes. Yeah, I did do a clandestine Raptor run. The pocket pinger is a way for me to do a clandestine Raptor run for sure. Okay. Make sure you're subscribed, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to miss out on the party. Got to be subscribed there for the party. I've been losing so many crabs and high, says Josh. All right, let's go back here. See what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, Meds. Thank you for that. Thank you for putting... look at this. From Blue Shadow. I was at Mick Slammerson's for a whole week. He threw me out when I tried to stop him. Guys, Slammy McSlammerson is here in full effect. Nickel coins, eh? Says Numiskull. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Okay, Blue Shadow says, I don't like coffee made in Belgium. There you go. Well, Mrs. International Stacker coffee is not made in Belgium, so check it out. Variable here. Thank you for shouting out the stream, Blue Shadow. Thank you, Sublime Mad Dog and Sicilian. Thank you. Michael D, look at this. This is from Bald Guy Money. I have breakfast with Fed Chairman Kevin Warsh every week. We have breakfast. Whoa. They're eating breakfast together. I wonder if that's a good or a bad sign there. I noticed a trend. The danger zone seems to start at 10 a.m. mark. Thank you, Jay Hearts. We'll pay attention to that tomorrow and see if that's just a couple time thing or if it's an actual trend that's emerging. And thank you so much, Hoya Guru, for gifting a membership. That went to James. Check out your new custom channel member emoji. And 3 Diglett said, silver's a scam. Just bought 4 more Morgans. Yeah. Guys, we should all be out there going, silver's a scam. Get out of it. It sells. Silver drops to $10. Then we load up. No, that wouldn't be nice. We got to be like the gold and silver Paul Revere riding the streets of the internet warning people. But that's funny. I like that 3 Digletts. Silver's a scam. I just bought more. Can you show the gold, Sicilian Stacker? Which gold, Sicilian? I didn't go to the post office yet. We've got this gold. Look at this. We've got this gold. We got this gold. We got these pickers I mined from Dahlonega, Georgia. This is a big old nugget from Australia. I call these pickers. People in Dahlonega call these nuggets. I'm like, nah, these are pickers. That's a nugget. Is that the gold you're referring to, or did you send me something in the mail? Did you send me something in the mail, Sicilian? If so, I did not go there today. Are Rolos only available in custom formats? I've not been able to find them on any of the online dealers. Brian saying, yeah, Rolos, MK Bar has Rolos and Reckless Metals has Rolos, but I don't think they're really mass produced. But guys, maybe we're going to have Jake, Hero Bullion CEO on Sunday. Maybe we could ask him to make some Rolos. Maybe we could do that. Okay, guys, people want to see Daisy. Here's Daisy the camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesam here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There you go. Oh, wow, look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Oh, Sicilian, I get what you're saying. Sicilian Stacker, I don't have the link in front of me, but there is a gold Daisy on Bullion Exchanges. Daisy the camel. It's like a little 1 grammer. Guys, this gap is nearly closed on silver here. Sorry I'm late, says Wyvern. Do you see a day this week when you believe will be the best day to buy bulk? No, you're not a financial advisor, just your best guess. Probably tomorrow. I could be wrong. I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. I mean, we're getting a bounce right. Oh, wait, that's not. We gapped up. We're getting a bounce right now, but tomorrow, if we go here, tomorrow is this. The watch out situations for the week. Tomorrow is options expiry day for silver. And traditionally that's a bloody day, but after about 1:30 p.m. we can get a bounce back. So I'd say probably tomorrow morning might be the best, but I could be wrong. Something crazy could happen. Aliens could land. There could be peace around the world, and it could skyrocket tonight. You never know. So sometimes it's better just a dollar cost average as we go, like maybe pick up a little tonight just to secure somewhat of a discount. But if I was trying to do a big one, I'd be doing it probably tomorrow morning to ride the options expiry. Northampton says just post something on X for you to have a look at. Okay, let's look here. Did you tag me, Northampton? It's hard for me to find you guys. If you don't tag me, it's hard for me to find you guys on X. Can you tag me in it, Northampton? Hey, Christopher's here. Good to see you. Okay. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Look at this. Thoughts on this. Never ever released from Perth Mint like this. Looks like ruthenium coating and gilded. Is it real? But no idea if it's worth more or less than bullion value. Thoughts? Well, it's 1 ounce of 999 silver, so it's definitely worth. It's definitely worth at least bullion prices. But this looks limited to me. I have not seen it. But it's Perth Mint. No, Canadian Mint is 4 nines. Perth Mint's not 4 nines for silver, right? It's 3 nines. Send me a picture, an email of this picture, and I'll look it up for you, Northampton. Does anyone know in chat anything about this coin? I do not. If anyone knows anything about that coin, let us know. Variable here says, I got the gold right here, Pa. Okay, it's just, how long is this clip? If I click this, am I going to get banned? I'm not going to click it. If it's too long, I can get in major trouble. Silverpug says, should we give Viola a mission to seek bankers and take their silver? I mean, maybe. Or she continues to make soup and fondle silver at Germania. Guys, if you don't know Viola, I met a girl in Poland. She's a brick house, strong arm, loves gold and silver. If you think you got what it takes to impress her, ladies and gentlemen, here she is, Viola.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Who's interested in Viola? I know Huntington Beach is. Wait, Huntington? Hold up. Hamilton. Guys, I had 2 suitors show up in the mail. You guys, one of you sent this guy, Hamilton Beach, wearing a tie. And then another one of you guys sent this guy, Bubba Beach, with the goatee. He's got suspenders and he's got that. So I am now. Two of you guys sent that, and I now have blenders piling up in my office of possible suitors for Viola. So funny. The coin you just showed has a bird on it, says Silverpug. You can have a 4 or 5. Hold up. I got a special coin, actually. I got a special coin. Let me get this, Joshua. Hold up. I got a special coin here. Now, generally, you're only going to see 3.9 and 4.9 fine silver coins, okay? But this is a very special coin. It's the Gato. It's the only 5.9. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the only 5.9 silver coin out there. Or I should say round. Royal Silver Company. It's the Gato. 5.9s. Look at that. 1 ounce. It's the only one of its kind. Usually they have... The most common is 3.9 fine. But you also do have 4.9 fine, like with the... Canadian Mint is 4.9s, right, guys? Hamilton brought opera tickets to Woo Viola. He's clearly the better candidate. That's true. But Bubba Beach literally brought a can of chew, brought some Prosecco, some corn nuts and Slim Jims. The Gato should be in the Gigas's crap. I don't know. That's a special one. I might keep that. That's the 1 ounce 2015 Kookaburra commemorating 25 years of Perp Mint. Looks gold gilded, probably aftermarket third party. Thank you for that, SGT. Brian in chat says, you have the most entertaining metals channel. So much lore here. Who else is going to get their subscribers to send them character blenders? That is a good point. I never expected to get character blenders in the mail, but boy, is it fun. That is funny. Ladies and gentlemen, we filled the gap.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me. We filled that gap, turn the candle green. Close that gap, stack silver with me.
Look at, we filled the gap immediately to a BGC, a big green candle here. No, I have not done the baby gator for days. You guys forbid me. You guys forbid me from the baby gator because you want it to go lower. Let's go here. All right. Tell me if this is too loud. Tell me if this is too
China
loud.
just reported its most gold in more than 2 years, proving physical demand is still alive even after gold's sharp correction. Now, before we even get into the stories or the markets, I just want to say something. Nothing has changed except for the price, right? We know the price has changed.
Nothing with gold has changed but the price, ladies and gentlemen. And Silverpug wants to see the coin again. Here it is. There you go, Silverpug. Can you grab a screenshot of it? That's the coin. But there's Vince Lancy literally saying that nothing has changed with the gold price. Besides, or nothing's changed with gold besides the price. Okay, this is a good post, it looks like, from Silver Crusader. Definitely a buying opportunity for some, he says. Just paying off a $64 an ounce splurge on more shiny. I know it'll come back roaring. Why? 1, we're still in a physical silver deficit 6+ years. 6 consecutive years. Silver Institute projects 46.3 million ounce shortfall. It's going to be much more, guys. I don't like the Silver Institute's numbers. But it's going to be much more. I'm sure of it. Industrial demand is soaring. Keeps crushing mine supply. Government is going to stop to do 180 on ridiculous spending and money printing. U.S. federal deficit projected at 1.9 trillion by federal year 2026. A lot of reasons to buy. I'm trying to take a sip of this hot tea from my throat, but it is hot. Ooh. I'm going to read this article later. Okay, let's see what this is. If it's too loud, let me know.
Is invoicing in dollars. They're coming back onto the dollar system. They've been sanctioned. They were not.
So, guys, this is one of the many reasons why we're seeing this pullback in gold and silver. Remember, the DXY, the dollar index, is getting stronger, going up. That puts negative pressure on gold and silver. So this is one of the reasons. Too loud. Okay, I'll turn it down.
Allowed to translate or to transact in dollars, and now the dollar is going to be the centerpiece of their trade. They were selling discounted oil to China and not getting dollars. We're seeing in the Iranian negotiations, the Iranians will be invoicing in dollars. So
there you go. Everyone's invoicing in dollars. Here's Rashad saying silver's approaching a key confluence at 54.50. And we're now back up at 57.63. Wow. After hitting a low, ladies and gentlemen, of 55.60 earlier. This right here is a key Fibonacci level, 57.27, what we're above now. As we continue to watch and see what's going on. Guys, we're 1 like away from 300. The next person to smash like is going to get good luck for 347 months. It's science.
It's science.
Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? And make sure you subscribe too, ladies and gentlemen. We're only 8 subscribers away from 69,230 subscribers here. Variable Pumper says, it was me. I was number 300. Vivid is saying it was them. Imagine said it's them. Jimmy was 299. Nice. I always say 47. Oh. All right, I'll try to switch it up. Guys, Commander Mike D is in chat. Commander Mike D, commander of the 160th Battle Crab Soar. And he just gifted 10 memberships. Those went to Gun. It went to Roy. It went to Jay. It went to Gup. It went to Ma. It went to Tad. It went to Peace. It went to Robert. It went to Brandon. It went to Bullish. Reset. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Say thank you to Commander Mike D. And ladies and gentlemen, anyone who's a channel member gets access to the channel member only live stream in the War Room. I'll see you all in the next War Room Friday evening. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. You must be fully clothed. Thank you so much, Mike D. And I hate to say it, no soup for Rick.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
How do you guys like that reboot? Do you guys like that? That is really Rick Harrison's face. He sent me, gave me permission to put on there. And the Rick on screen. Did you guys like that? Poor Rick. Poor Rick needs soup badly. Okay, could you guys hear that that violin I just played? Was it a decent level? Let me know. I think my levels are messed up a little bit here. This is not normal at all, says Weimer X. In just 20 minutes, silver dumped 12.61%, gold dumped 4.71%, platinum 4.53%, palladium 6.13%. Trillions disappeared from the markets in minutes. Let's watch. Wow. And Silverpug says that is a 2015 Australian Kookaburra silver coin from Perth Mint. Thank you, Silverpug. You didn't hear it? I'm going to play it again. Can you guys hear this? You couldn't hear that? Hold up. Hold up. Oh. Did you hear it there? And Elder Joshua Hetrick coming in hard. Just gifted 5 memberships. Those went to She-E. It went to the Boz. It went to AM. It went to Lamb. It went to Keystone Stacker. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Oh, Chris Simic asked me a question up. Let me see. Chris Simic asked a question, guys. I'm trying to find it. Chris Simic says, will that count the same as the Hidden Hoard Recovery Task Force if I find the Springfield bounty? Wait, Chris Simic says, will that count the same as Hidden Hoard Recovery Task Force if I find the Springfield bounty? I don't get it. Oh, wait. Oh, here we go. There's another one. Chris Simic said, July 6th at noon. Household make channel history. Your crab necklace and sunglasses getting inked on my leg. No. Chris Simic, are you really getting a tattoo? Yes, Chris Simic, that will count. By no means am I pressuring you or telling you to get a tattoo. But if you get that tattoo, it will definitely count for the Hidden Hoard Recovery Task Force bonus if you find the hoard, yes. Say congratulations to Ken. He bought his first 5 ounces of silver today, says Soup John. Wow. Guys, congratulations to Ken. He bought his first 5 ounces today, starter pack. Awesome. Kalilo in chat saying thanks again for the Krabby raid earlier. Appreciate you, bro. Okay, I'm gonna turn, dude. If you do it, send me pictures, and yes, it will count. But make sure you can cover it up. Okay, tell me if you can hear it now. Hold up. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that violin? I don't think you guys could hear the violin. Oh, very low. Let me turn it up. All right, can you hear it now? Is it way too loud now? Let me know. Tell me if you can hear. Tell me what sound effect you hear now.
Bruh.
Okay, that's the sound effect.
Bruh.
Can you hear that?
Bruh.
And then this sound effect. How about this one?
What the hell?
That's Soup John. Too loud now. Okay, too loud. Okay, I'm going to turn it down. Okay, I think I found the perfect level. I'm going to test it one more time. If I play it now and it's perfect, put perfect in chat. If it's perfect now, put perfect in chat. Okay, I think we're good there. I had to turn the effects back up. The effects are, okay, that was perfect. Okay. So I've got that sound effect when Rick and other people get no soup, I play that. I got this as a punch effect. I got the bruh. And then I got the Rick roll. I got the yeah. Okay, let's go back here. Look at this from Variable. Hey, International Stacker, I want one of these. You could sell 1,000. Look at this. Make silver great again. Oh, my goodness. Mega. That's funny. My local store in Western Montana is still selling silver bullion 10 over spot. Silver Eagles 13 over spot. Thank you, Tree, for the report there. Let's go here. Okay, I'm going to read this later. Wall Street Bets just found its next game stop. Wendy's WEN exploded 42% today. Look at that big green candle on Wendy's. I like to see our next emoji for gold, says Raven. Wow. Blue Shadow says we're coming down again because there's still 1 cent of a gap to fill. Really? Is there really a cent? Oh my goodness. $0.02? No, it's a little low. Oh my goodness. Or is it? Did I call him too quick? Did I call him too quick? Okay, it's okay. At least we get the Fill the Gaps song again. That's the good news. Can we please get a BTFD emoji? I don't know if you'd be able to see it. They're so small. Drano says, how about Rick Rule meme as he laughs and he leans into the camera? That could be fun. Premature gapulation, says Variable. Yes, that was a premature gapulation for sure. Did you like those Blue Moon Eagles? Yeah, guys, look what Mike D got. Mike D got this. It's a Blue Moon Eagle. Hold up. Look at what Mike D got. It's called a Blue Moon Eagle. Look at that. It's a blue moon. You guys, wait. Did I say moon?
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
I just got an idea. When Silver's getting attacked, should I have like a clip that plays like 10 seconds-ish? And it's like Jason's, chasing you. Different like monsters are chasing you, and then you're like hanging on the side of a cliff. Would that be fun? Like all the monsters are coming for us when like Silver goes down or gold. Would that be a fun clip? What do you think? I think that could be fun. This is the largest percent Silver has been down under the bottom Bollinger Band since the COVID crash. These moves are not sustainable and are followed by sharp corrections. Whoa. Look at that. You need a boat sinking, okay? A clip where Pepe Le Pew chasing would be funny, but you get canceled. Laugh out loud, says Kalilo. I like Kalilo's song, like and subscribe, but it's a girl singing. Like and subscribe. Kalilo laugh. Okay, here we go. Ooh, tsunami threatened Venezuela. That's not good. I'll read that later. Now, guys, don't get dismayed. Don't get distraught when the price goes down. Remember, the road's going to be long, dark, and full of terrors. It's going to be scary. But those with intestinal fortitude to see the way through, I believe, are going to be celebrating and dancing with me in the street. Not a financial advisor, just some deal on the net with crabs. But that's what I believe. If that's what you believe as well, put unshaken in chat. Guys, Chris Simic is reportedly getting a tattoo. Wow. A hidden horde recovery task force tattoo. That is hardcore. I hope he finds the horde. Okay. Guys, the next shoe to drop here is going to be when Shanghai opens tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's about, what, 2 hours and 15 minutes from now? 7, 8, 9? Yeah. It closed on a DTB here. So that's going to be the next shoe to drop. I am going to be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You're not going to want to miss tomorrow. First off, it could be absolutely explosive overnight one way or the other. But also, too, Ron from Ron's Basement's going to be on in the morning. So that's going to be fun. But let's see who right now is on YouTube so we can crab rate somebody. Guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications. Who knows about the Reckless Ben minifig drama? All I can say is brick by brick. Standing with Ben. I don't see any gold or silver creators live right now. If you do, let me know so we could crab rate somebody. International Stackers live. What is this? Oh, that's a whatnot. Let me look over here. I've crab rated a whatnot stream before. Boy, was my face right. I was like, ugh. Oh, coining around is live. Okay, we could do coining around. That'd be fun. He's coin roll hunting. That'd be fun. Okay, we'll do that. All right, guys, I'll see you in the morning at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for the super chats. Thank you for the memberships. Thank you for liking my stream. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the morning. Turn on those notifications. I'll say CYOTNO. Channel members, drop that emoji. It stands for catch you on the next one. Don't get depressed. Don't get downtrodden. You've trained for this. Ladies and gentlemen, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, but I'm seeing this one through. Do you have intestinal fortitude?
I am never gonna financially recover from this.